Hello everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to go over our premium 1080p delivery van camera system with parking sensors, SKU 69982. First up is the blinker activated side view cameras. You can see here they're 1080p, they're very narrow and sleek, they're kind of aerodynamic in that way. You have the indicator lights to let you know that the cameras are actually on and operating. These can be triggered by the blinker, so you get the view you need when you need it, depending on when you use the blinker lights on the vehicle. Next up is the monitor itself. You can see here, right now we're just showing you 2 cameras at a time. However, you can see up to 4 cameras at a time with many different view modes. So like the rear camera would be on the top and the 2 side cameras would be on the bottom. Here we have the rear 1080p camera. This one too can turn on automatically when you go in reverse or stay on constantly while you're driving down the road. If you're using the blinker activated cameras, it will always revert back to the split screen view once you're done with your task. Also, the sensors are here as well. You get 8 sensors that are daisy chained from the back to the front. Very easy to set up, and they come with multiple ways of mounting the sensors to make the installation process and usability as versatile as possible. Well, that's the overview of our premium 1080p delivery van camera systems. If you want to see manuals or videos specifically for this system, whip on over to TadiBrothers.com, search up 69982, and you will see plenty of more content for you to watch. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us anytime at 866-966-5550, and our American-based team will gladly assist you. If you want to speak with me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around. It'll be my honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers to all you out there, we wish you safe travels. Bye-bye.